IEEE floating point representation. Student, the IEEE floating point representation is the representation of floating point numbers. Floating point numbers, which known as decimal numbers. These represented by the 10 key powers representation of non-integral numbers. IEEE representation of floating point numbers are standard for 754, 1985, two representation for the floating point numbers, single precision and double precision. Single precision values for 32 bits and 64 bits for double precision. Precision is the numbers allowed after decimal places. Single 8-bit representation, single 23-bit. The format of IEEE floating point numbers as shown in its screen. S represent the sign of the number, plus and minus. Exponent represent the value of exponent. Fraction is the fractional part. Exponent part represent exponent value of the floating number, and fractional part. The formula is x minus 1 power s 1 plus fraction into 2 की power exponent minus bias. Significant bit 0 represent a non-negative number, 1 represent the negative numbers. Exponent axis representation is the actual exponent plus bias number. Single precision bias is 127 and double precision bias is 1203. Exponents value come from zeros and ones are reserved. Smallest value 001, actual exponent 1 minus 127 because 128-bit representation ASCII numbers. Fractional double precision, we have this format of exponent value and actual exponent value. Floating point representation, like suppose we have a number 0 minus 0.75, it represented as minus 1 the sign power 1 into 1.1 base 2 minus 1. This is the representation of 0.75. These are the all about exponent representation, floating point number representation, IEEE standard for floating point representation.